In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a handwriting practice workbook for kids. If you haven't been here before, my name is Anna and I do videos on how to create, maintain, and grow your KDP business. And as always, before we start, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and also smash that notification bell to receive notifications when I produce videos like this one. Thank you. Before we start, as always, I want to show a sample of the book that we are going to create. So let's go to Amazon and type in Handwriting Workbook. As you can see, the bestsellers rank is 373 and the book costs $6.75. And this book has 109 pages. Now, if I go to TCK Publishing, you will see this book sells 4,300 books per month. Let's also get the royalty of the book. So based on Amazon calculator, the royalty is $1.90. If I multiply that by the number of books per month, you will see this book makes more than $8,000 per month. Okay, now that you have an idea how much you can make with this type of book, let's go ahead and create our book. Before getting to the second part, I want to answer a question many of you asked me before about my keyword selection. I've been asked many times how I choose my keywords. So I select them based on the popularity on Amazon, on Google, and how good my competitors are doing on the same keyword. I usually spend a day on my keyword selection. So that's why, to save you guys the time, I'm going to upload the keyword list I prepared for my own handwriting practice book on my Gumroad shop. You can find the link down below. Okay, let's get into it. So before we start, I want to mention that I use Canva for my video because it was free. But of course, you can use any software you like and use the same principle to create a similar book. For those of you that want to create your own design, I'm going to show you how I created my own template on Illustrator. Click on Line tool, hold Shift and draw a line. Now select a line, hold Alt and Shift and drag it down. Now press Ctrl and D to copy the last action. Now select the middle line and on right hand click on a stroke and check off dashed line. Now change the dash and gap amount as you like. Now select all three lines and hit Ctrl and G to group them together. Now hold Alt and drag your group down. Once you're happy with the distance, let it go and again hit Ctrl and D to repeat. Fill out your page with hitting Ctrl and D again as you like, and don't forget to leave a gap on the bottom of the page for your list. Now to create the alphabet list, first create a rectangle like this, and now right click on the line tool and select grid tool. Click on the middle of the page and choose 0 for horizontal divider and 25 for vertical divider and hit OK. Change the fill and stroke on properties section as you like and also adjust the size to our rectangle. Now go to text and put a letter like A, J, R or anything you like, and change the size so that it would be fit to our grid cells. Now create 25 copy of it and place the last one on the middle of the last cell on the grid. Now select all of them and go to the properties. Align all of them vertically and then click on here and choose Align to Selection. And then click on three dots here and click on the vertical distribution. You can save this file as PDF or AI file for the future edits. So as you can see, creating this page is a bit time consuming. So to make our job easier, I already created a template of a handwriting workbook interior to use as our template. If you want to follow along, pause the video for a couple of seconds go to the link down below and download the templates. For those of you that don't have an Illustrator, let me show you how to get the template from Gumroad. So click on the link on description and then click on template, scroll down, put anything you think is fair or just put 0 and hit add to cart. On top right hand, click on the checkout and enter your email address and hit get. Now go to your email and your email should look like something like this. Hit view content and the link will bring you to the Gumroad shop again. Now you can download the files. Now let's go to Canva and drag and drop our file. I'm going to work with alphabet with bleed file. And let's adjust the size. And I want to also add some guide to our page. So go to files and check off both show guides and show rulers. Place a guide 0.375 inches far from each edge. All your letters should remain between these guides. So go to the text and let's pick R for example. And for font, search dots and choose railway dots. Now copy and paste your letter to fill out the line. You can adjust the letter spacing from here. Once you're happy with your line, copy and paste it to remaining lines. Just remember to include both lower and uppercase letters. If you want to, you can also put a fun image for kids on top. So to create the space for image, just click on your template and hide the top section like this. I download this one from Creative Fabrica, but you can use any design you have. But I suggest picking designs that were made by same artists to create a more cohesive book. The only thing remaining is to mark the list down below. To do so, go to Elements and create a square. And let's reduce its opacity to 50% and bring it to the list. Now you need to repeat this page for all letters on alphabet. At the end, go to download and download your file as PDF. Okay, that was it. This book is a bit time consuming, but at the end you will have a book that has no expiry date and you can sell this book on Amazon for years and years. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was helpful for you. Let me know on comment sections if you had any question and if you have any better way to create a handwriting practice interior. In the end, if you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and also smash that notification bell. See you all on the next video. Bye